Hello again, it's Harry here, your geriatric nurse from Toronto, Canada, back from my humble contribution for the care for the older adults and their caregivers. June is the month of the seniors, and I just wanted to greet everybody Happy Seniors Month. Make sure you spoil them extra during this month. I just wanted to discuss this week about receiving a dementia diagnosis or maybe noticing cognitive changes in your loved ones.
Welcome to Harry's Geriatric Nursing Insights, where we explore the heart of elderly care. Join us for stories, practical tips, and celebrate our dear elders and their caregivers.
Discuss this week about receiving a dementia diagnosis or maybe noticing cognitive changes in your loved ones. This presents an opportunity to reevaluate how your relationship has been with the older adult. Maybe you'll continue that good relationship, or maybe it's time to reevaluate that and change and enhance or improve that relationship. This also brings the importance of prevention. So your daily, what you do daily with the older adults, and you as an older adult, what you do daily to prevent dementia, how you take care of your body, how you take care of the food, exercise, interpersonal relationships, spirituality, all of those good things as a holistic person. This is a good time to reevaluate all of those things for you as a caregiver and you as the patient or the older adult. If some things are lacking, it's a very good time to change those things in any of those areas. This is also a good time to do advanced care planning, which includes the appointment of a substitute decision maker or a power of attorney. And this will help ensure that what is important to the older adult will always be promoted. This also brings to mind the importance of the triple Ds: delirium, depression, dementia, and the prevention and management of the same. You also have to deal with the emotions. Of course, this is something very sad to undergo, but do not be afraid, because there's always something that could be done. During the pandemic, one of my greatest fear was that would be it for the older adults once the virus hits the nursing home, but it wasn't the case. Same thing here. As they say, it's the slow goodbye. Some people may even say that you lose your loved ones, and I can understand why they would say that you would lose them. But I believe personally that in whatever stage of the dementia process the person is in, there is always a way to promote their personhood, what was important to them and what is important to them during that point of time. So do not be afraid, because in any stage you can plan ahead and always take into consideration what was important to that older adult, or and what is important to them, and we can put it into the care plan. And remember, you take care of yourself as the caregiver. Seek help from the professionals, especially from your loved ones, your family. Always learn to share the load, and remember, you are not alone. Take care and see you next time.